The purpose of art is to communicate. That's what music, movies, books, video games, poems do. They communicate something, they express something. These are all forms of art. The graphical user interface is also a form of art. The graphical user interface is the most recent form of art universally adopted by mankind. And the purpose of this form of art is to enable communication between humans and computer devices. Today we live in an era where self-service machines and mobile applications have become the new point of service for consumers, and the graphical user interface designed in these machines and mobile applications is the new customer experience. Remember that the graphical user interface is a form of art, and the purpose of art is to communicate, and the purpose of the graphical user interface is to ensure communication between humans and computer devices. Communication. A good customer service is a service that has good communication. This is why the graphical user interface is important. This is a graphical user interface for metro ticket vending machines, and I want to show you how this interface design communicates to the subconscious and conscious mind of the user. Uh, First, we need to know that at first glance, the user notice that this interface has three groups of items. It has this is one group, this is another group, and this is another group. Three groups. In the first group, the user noticed that there is a pre-selected option. This means that the user journey begins here. It also means that the machine is also telling the user that, hey, I assume you speak the native language of this country. Most of the people who come to this machine speak the native language of this country. I assume you are one of them. I have pre-selected this language to save you from having to select it. You can begin your journey in the next section below, which is the section where the user selects the items that they need. The user knows that these are the items available because these are the items labeled with the price. When you see something labeled with the price, you know this is available for sale. And usually users come to these machines because they need to buy something. So when they see the price, they know these are the items available for sale. The machine is also telling the user, hey, the balance, the due amount is 0. That's because you have not selected an item, so I am not charging you for anything yet. Once you select something, then the new balance, the new due amount will be displayed, will be updated, and the user will be able to submit his order with the buy option or with the refill option. If the user makes a selection, for example, if the user selects the one item, let's say for example that I select this item, now the communication change. Now the machine is telling the user, you have selected this item, and now this is the new due amount that has been updated. You can submit with the buy option or you can submit with the refill option, whichever you prefer. So usually these machines allow users to to buy or refill tickets. And this is how this machine, this interface design communicates to the conscious and subconscious mind of the users in a very simple manner.